Greetings fam! Imagine sketching out a multicolor figurine, a functional gadget, or a complex prototype, and then watching it spring to life in just the click of a button, with color transitions built in and details crisp as if hand-painted. That's the kind of possibility that got me deep into researching the Creality official K2 Combo 3D printer. And if you care about serious 3D printing power, especially multicolor, multimaterial work, you'll want to hear this. Click the link in bio to check the price, but first let's break it down. I dug into official specs, vendor details, user reviews, and expert breakdowns to build a clear, honest take. Right off the bat, K2 Combo supports multicolor printing out of the box. It comes with one CFS, Creality Filament System, unit. And you can expand up to 4 CFS units for a total of 16 filament colors. The build volume is a generous 260 x 260 x 260 mm, giving lots of room for medium to large prints without needing to split models. Under the hood, this printer is built for speed and precision. Step servo motors across the X, Y axes and extruder, a high-flow hot end, and spec claims of up to 600 mm per second print speed and 20,000 mm per square second acceleration. That means jobs finish faster than many standard printers, a boon if you work with many parts or iterate designs frequently. The hot end can reach up to 300 degrees Celsius, and the heated bed can hit 100 to 110 degrees Celsius, which opens up compatibility with common filaments like PLA, PETG, TPU, and even more demanding ones like PLACF or ABS depending on setup. For convenience and ease, the K2 Combo is largely plug-and-play. It ships pre-assembled, supports smart features like auto bed leveling, only on the actual print area to speed things up, and offers filament runout detection and auto resume. There's also an integrated camera system for monitoring prints, handy for catching failures early or recording time-lapse of your builds. In actual user tests and community feedback, many owners praise the K2 Combo for its build quality, structural stability, and output versatility. Its rigid aluminum frame reduces wobble, linear rails and servo motors help with consistent extrusion, and the big heated bed plus capable hot end make it usable beyond just PLA, tipping into more serious material use. But, because I examined criticisms too, there are some trade-offs worth knowing. The multicolor system, CFS, seems somewhat hit or miss for some users. A few reports talk about occasional filament feeding issues or jams when using certain spool types, and inconsistent performance, especially if the filaments aren't perfectly compatible or dry. For instance, I've had issues with the CFS not feeding or jamming, extruder gear part replaced multiple times. Another user said their benchy prints had messy arches and inconsistent layers even after thorough tuning. Because of that, some experienced makers warn that the K2 Combo tends to reward careful setup, maintenance, and compatible filament choices. It's not always set and forget, especially when pushing the multicolor or more advanced material envelope. RL level reliability seems to vary, and some units reportedly require troubleshooting. So, is the K2 Combo worth buying? In my researched opinion, yes, but with nuance. If you want a powerful, multicolor-capable, high-speed, and flexible 3D printer, especially for creative prints, prototypes, or small batch production, and you don't mind putting in a bit of effort in setup and filament prep, the K2 Combo offers a strong value for money and versatility that many entry-level or standard printers can't match. If instead you prioritize rock-solid consistency, minimal tinkering, and maximum reliability, especially on heavy use or dependability, then you might face a bit of a gamble, depending on filament quality and printer tolerance. For makers ready to invest care, the K2 Combo can truly shine. Click the link below for the best price.